You ever be riding with your girlfriend and like every song on the radio, or like even if she ain't even in her car, she just start playing what she wanting to play, and you look at the girl like, how do you even know that song? Maybe she'll come out the store with like every trap or hood song. When you think she like Alicia Keys or something, she listen like Gucci Man. It's kind of like that, but I kind of like Alicia Keys on the low. But don't tell nobody. Getting a money order, but just kind of puzzles me. Just be like, Dad, like, can we listen to the song? Oh God, I'm about to record her. So. You got everything?
What you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. Told you.
Log on now. PowerHits95.com.
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay. My point exactly.